If physics fails in the next 60 seconds, I will let it die. Is skydiving safe? This is the science in action.
Multiple safety checks, harness secure, main parachute packed, reserve parachute sealed, automatic activation device armed. Altitude, wind, weight, weather. All international aviation standards met.
This seems like Bombay local.
Now, the science. This isn't jumping. The second I leave the aircraft, my body becomes a moving physics system. The only force acting on me at first is gravity. Earth pulls every object downwards at 9.8 meters per second squared, which means every second I fall almost 10 meters per second faster than the second before. But something else rises as I speed up. Air resistance. The faster I move, the more air molecules collide with my body. That creates drag, a force that pushes upwards against gravity. The fall becomes a force battle. Gravity pulling me down, air pushing me up. Eventually, those two forces balance. When forces balance, acceleration stops. This is terminal velocity, about 190 to 210 kilometers per hour. I am no longer speeding up. It's like I'm suspended on a vertical river of air.
Now this is where engineering takes control. The parachute doesn't just open, it multiplies surface area. Suddenly billions of air molecules slam into fabric instead of skin. Drag force explodes, from a human meteor to controlled glider.
And it's not one parachute, it's a system. Main canopy, independently parachute-packed reserve, and a computer-controlled automatic activation device armed. If I'm too fast or too low and unresponsible, the system deploys for me. Aerophysics, aviation engineering. In freefall, my inner ear loses all support signals. No ground, no up, no down. The brain reads it as weightlessness.
You're the best!
That's why skydivers don't feel like they're falling. They feel like they're flying. Skydiving isn't about cheating death. It's about understanding the forces that holds the universe together and trusting them with your body.
Honestly, this was the best experience of my life. I legit thought I was about to die. But this man here, he's the best. Thank you so much.
Mo.